Today on HandyDadTV, a new product going down. The first time ever using N-Ext biostimulants. Coming up. Welcome to HandyDadTV. I'm Chris Hyder, your virtual dad in the cloud, and today I'm going to be putting down a new product for me anyway, called N-Ext biostimulants. Biostimulants are like vitamins for your lawn. And the two products that I'm going to be putting down today, RGS is called, it's a root growth stimulator. It's supposed to, it's like a multivitamin for your lawn. It's supposed to promote deep root growth, which helps your lawn survive the summer, the hot stress of the summer better. And the other product I'm putting down today is called Air-8. This is supposed to almost be a supplement or a replacement to core aeration, which is when you actually pull little plugs out of your soil. So it's supposed to allow water, air, and nutrients to get deeper into your soil, drive the roots down deeper as well. So you can see the theme here is to have your grass grow better, deeper into the soil, and that will help it in the long run. Now, I'm following my 2019 lawn care plan, which this is I'm right here. This is April 7th, right? April 7th, yes. So on April 7th, it says here, it's yellow, that's where my next products go down. So what I've done so far this year is I've put down fertilizer last weekend. I put down my prodiamine pre-emergent yesterday, and today I'm doing the N-Ext products. Now these are all gonna be separate videos. So the fertilizer one is already out. Probably by the time you see this, the prodiamine one will be out as well. I did a comparison of two different backpack sprayers for that video too, so I'll put links to those in the video description as well as the card above. I always forget which side it is. There's a card up there somewhere. Anyway, I'm going to be putting them down with one of these orthodilin sprayers, and the rate that I'm going to be using is called the compaction cure rate. They can both be put in the tank at the same time, and you just hook it up to the hose and you spray it all over the lawn. And I'm going to be putting them down at the compaction cure rate, which is 9 ounces of Air-8 and 6 ounces of RGS, and that's per 1,000 square feet. So I've got a total of 13,400 square feet in my lawn, but I've got some testing going on. I'm only going to be putting it in certain areas. For my 2019 lawn care program, I've kind of sliced up my yard to try out different fertilizers in different areas. And one of the things I said I was going to do was test the effectiveness of N-Ext biostimulants on these fertilizers. So I'm going to do a stripe in the backyard that crosses each of those 3 different types of fertilizers, and that'll give us some unbiased, very objective results to see how well the N-Ext biostimulants do on improving the lawn. I have no doubt that they're going to improve the lawn, but the real question comes down to the cost and the time and the effort to put them down. Is it worth it? That's what I'm really trying to get at. Thankfully, I have a long hose. That's what she said.
Oh, no, she didn't.
Now, this container is barely big enough to fit the amount of product that I need for 2,600 square feet. So I'm going to put in 650 milliliters for the Air-8, and I'm just going to fill up the rest with RGS and hope for the best. Apologize for the spraying going on behind me. Different kind of spraying. Power washing. First time using the hose this year, so there's probably a lot of air in it. One thing I will say that I've learned from other people is that these products stain your fingers as well as your clothes and concrete. So mix it in the grass, and if you spill it, it's not a big deal. It's not going to hurt anything. And definitely wear gloves. I have the dial spread to 3 ounces. What that means is it's just going to put a lot of water. It's only going to use 3 ounces of this per gallon. Yeah, 3 ounces per gallon that comes out. So it's going to mix it with a lot of water. Alright, I'm just making a disclaimer now. I was much more heavy-handed in this area than I was over there. I just was moving slower, and then I realized it's very hard to see because that stuff is so dark. It's hard to see how much you've used because the tank is sloshing around in the tank, it's on the sides. So I wasn't pacing myself appropriately. I'll get better, but I used way more there. So the advantage is going to go to Scott's on this one, but we'll see. Whew. But, you know, it wasn't too bad. That hose end sprayer is a pain in the neck. It obviously doesn't get all the stuff out of the bottom. So I think what I might have to do next time is do half and half. So that way I have extra in the tank because I can't get it to the bottom. So that was impossible. Anyway, that's a lesson learned. We'll see what the results are. So let me know in the comments, are you guys using N-Ext products? How long have you been using them? What do you use? What do you put it down with? Do you put it down with the hose end sprayer, or do you spray it with a backpack sprayer or something like that? I'd like to know, because I might try something different next time. Kind of wipe off the hose when you're done. Otherwise it'd get my wife's hands, and she wouldn't like that.